Hi, my name is Clay Bogus and I am with Big Event Fundraising. I'm extremely excited to be with you today to be able to introduce a very special fundraising project that you're being asked to participate in. Shortly, you'll be taking home a fundraising packet, just like this one, which will include a parent letter that you'll need to have your parents read over that'll explain everything about the fundraiser, a brochure so that people can see the items that they can buy to help your group, an order form so that people can write down their orders, and of course, an awesome prize brochure so that you can see all the incredible prizes that you can win. For the next couple of weeks, we're asking you to talk to neighbors, family, and friends and ask them to support your group by purchasing one or more items from your sales brochure. It's also important to ask mom and dad if they would take your fundraising packet to work and ask their work friends to buy from them as well. And remember, the sooner you get started, the more successful you're going to be. Remember to tell people that they'll need to pay you up front as the order is being placed. If your group is accepting checks, please make sure that checks are written out to your group. And you can use the same envelope to place the money inside that you collect. And now, for the moment I know you've all been waiting for, the prizes. Inside your fundraising packet is an awesome prize brochure. In exchange for you and your parents' hard work on this fundraiser, you'll have a chance to win awesome prizes. These are the prizes that everybody wants, and you can get them for free just by participating in this year's fundraiser. And the more you sell, the bigger and better the prizes get. But wait! I've got something very exciting to talk to you about. If you all work really hard on this fundraiser and we reach our fundraising goal, then instead of getting the prizes that we just talked about, we're going to bring in an event that is so exciting that we guarantee that you're going to have more fun than you will all year long. You'll have the chance to win exciting prizes as well as attend this very special event with all of your friends.
Welcome to the most exciting event to come to your school. It's the Big Event Super Splash Party. In just a few weeks, you'll have a chance to go to the party everyone in school will be talking about. The Super Splash Party.
The Super Splash Party looks like a blast. What is it and what's happening there?
The Super Splash Party is a big thank you for helping with this year's fundraiser, and it's guaranteed to be the most fun you'll ever have at school. There's a wild rapids ride, a giant water slide, a water tag arena, a giant slip and slide, midway games, and much, much more.
How do I get to the Super Splash Party?
It's easy. Just sell 12 items from this year's catalog.
Only 12 items?
Just show the brochure to neighbors, family, and friends and ask them to help your school. Remember to ask your mom and dad if they'll take it to work. When they order 12 items, you're on your way to the Super Splash Party with all your friends.
Can I win more prizes?
Sure. For additional items sold, you win more cash and prizes, like a spin on the big wheel for cash, or even a trip to the money machine. You can even win getting super soaked by the Fun Flush.
It's easy to be a winner at the Super Splash Party.
That's right. Selling just a few items gets you into the best party of the year.
Let's get going to the Super Splash Party!
The Super Splash Party.
Isn't this exciting? How many of you can't wait to start selling to be able to go to this fun event with all of your friends? What this means is If everybody works really hard on this fundraiser, instead of getting the regular prizes, we're going to bring this big event right here to you. There's one important thing that I need to remind each of you. Please make sure that you're always with an adult anytime you're out selling. So let me ask you a very important question. Are you ready to get started? Well then, let's see how much money we can raise over the next couple of weeks. Thank you very much for allowing me to come in and talk to you today. Good luck and good selling.